Hey there, welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a percentage discount for your B2B customer group. So you have a B2B store and you need to give different discounts depends on there will be gold customers, there will be silver customers, like you'll have different types of customers, right? So you can add those customers into one group and give discount for that. So I'll be showing that in this video. So come back to this. So we are using this B2B BTB wholesale discount app. I have attached the app link in the description of this video. So once you come here, you can click on create new customer group. So you can just give it gold customer group. It's for an example, and you might have a customers with a gold tag, or you can send above some amount only they will be on the gold, or that customers will be on the gold customer tag. We have those two options. Currently I'm just going with this, and this is how you can apply the discounts. You can apply to all products or specific, right, or based on a product tag. Just giving product tag all products now, and this is the percentage or fixed discounts. You can toggle on the percentage one and can give 10. I think for the gold you can give it 30% off. You can also set minimum purchase amount, and this is basically if you need to give specifically the discount only for specific products or something like that, you can do like that. So since I'm not doing that, so you can make it saved, right? The first thing is 10, then you can see it's a percentage and customers with, right? We can create another one. So I have one more tag which is VAP, right? And customers with again give it VAP customer group, right? And I made the tag VIP for those customers and said for all color. I think for VIP customers I'm giving only for some specific products. So for this one and this one, these products only I'm giving the offer, and I'm giving a percentage off which will be 45% off for the gold, and they should purchase minimum of uh, $2,000 since they're a since it's a B2B customer and it's a VIP one. Then only they should purchase for 45 like $2,000, then only they will get a discount, right? And you can save it. So when you go to the all discounts, you can see the discount groups. So this is how you can easily manage different, you can make different custom group and you can manage discount for them. Okay, so if you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.